Good evening, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Wrapping up for the night. Go over what we're working here in our day-to-day operations with our clients. Over here, we are finishing up, well, we're halfway through a full wrap on a CTSV. Just finishing up the hood here and wrapping everything around this edge. And then coming in here and wrapping everything down in here, okay? So we'll get that finished out tomorrow. Here's where we're still wrapping. Let's see if I can get that angle. Here's the edge of the film. We're gonna wrap that in there nice and neat. Just perfect on that edge. Now it's perfectly wrapped. That's what we do. We make everything perfect. No adhesive marks, nice and clear. It's still, you know, you need to wipe it down and that type of stuff. We just did it today. And we use the Expel film, Expel Ultimate Plus. Over here is a Mustang Mach 1. This is gonna be a full front with some Expel XR Plus window film. We just finished this hood a little bit ago, and excuse the water and the soap, but we take out these vents so we can wrap all the way in, then we put the vents back on top. And this has a matte decal. However, the client wanted it just all in one piece so that now it's clear. It's his car. He's happy with it. I think it looks great. Tomorrow we'll finish up the bumper. The fenders are done. Everything looks fantastic. Everything's nice and wrapped around. Everything looks good. Perfectly around that edge, around the door, or the fender into the door, and the full hood, of course. Pretty elementary for us. And then these, got twins in here. We got GMC AT4s. This one's getting a full face. And when I tell you there's a full face to this, Jesus, it's the top of the scoop, the bottom, this head pan, or this headpiece right here. And then we come down to this piece here. We're gonna get these guys all wrapped in. That one's already done. The bumper's all that's left. These shrouds around the light are done. Everything goes in nice. See a little bit of moisture right here. We just finished that minutes ago. And coming around this side, that L-shaped piece is done as well. Expel Ultimate Plus, of course. Then tomorrow we'll finish the bumper. And over here we got a Chevy Traverse, a full wrap. The full front and this whole side is done. Expel Ultimate Plus, we removed the gas door so we can wrap inside here. We'll get this all tucked away nice and neat tomorrow and trim up in here. See, there's the film right there. And it wraps into this window air area so you don't see any film. Wraps into the door. Everything's nice and neat. We just finished this panel right here about an hour ago. And this guy over here is a paint correction, fully done. No film. The Fine Labs Heal Light film, and or I'm sorry, the Fine Labs Heal Light ceramic. It's getting late. It's like 10-ish. Been here since 6 a.m. So wrapping it up, thought I'd share with everybody on the Clearbrow, North Dallas YouTube channel just what we're working on today. And then over here is a client's Mercedes. He did the front over in Seattle. It was a good wrap, but today we did his rocker panels. We did the white paint and then the black plastic there, and then we did the full rear bumper. So in the bumper we put it in, I mean, it's about as tight as you're gonna get with any bumper, going all the way up in here. And the funny part is, not funny, but just odd, is when the company, whoever put this in, they actually scored the paint right here. They put in a strip, like a trunk lid strip, that kind of comes to here, just covers the area of the trunk. Unfortunately, they scored the paint. That's one of the risks of an inexperienced installer. Shouldn't be around a car with a blade. But here's the bumper that we did for them. Everything looks just fantastic. Nicely wrapped, edge to edge, all the way underneath. In these wheel well areas, everything's fantastic. And there's the rockers. So chances are this individual might, we did his rooftop here. We threw that in for him. He wanted it, so I took care of that. I'd throw in a lot of freebies generally. If I wrap your car and we do just a full front or something, we generally find something to pitch in. It's always fun. See if you notice it. But anyway, so there's our day-to-day. We are on June 3rd, 2021. And I'm getting ready to get out of here. Tomorrow, more fun and more cars coming in. But if anybody needs any questions answered, you can call me directly at 940-703-8301 at Clearbrow North Dallas. Or you can go to clearbrownorthdallas.com. We have a submission page. Contact us. And you can get a hold of us, ask us what you need, and we'll be happy to help you out and get you handled. So thanks for watching and checking out our day-to-day here at Clearbrow North Dallas. Thank you. Have a great night.